Guys, this is Biology Geeks, and in this video we will be talking about plasma membrane carbohydrates. In the earlier videos of this series we talked about plasma membrane, its plasma membranes, lipids, plasma membranes, proteins, and now in the continuation video of the series, in this video we will be talking about carbohydrates. So the first thing that you should know is the carbohydrates that are present in a cell are in a very restricted quantity and in very particular positions. Carbohydrates are not present everywhere in the cell but only in plasma membrane and endoplasmic reticulum membrane. I am talking about membranes. Carbohydrate is not present in any other organular membrane except the membrane of plasma membrane and the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. So we can write it is present in plasma membrane and ER membrane. ER stands for endoplasmic reticulum, and rest it is not present in any organular membrane. This is the main point that you have to know about carbohydrates. Second thing is they are short, unbranched, and contain very few chains of sugars. The sugars are oligosaccharides. The sugars are oligosaccharides, their chains they contain. So the carbohydrates are unbranched. Now the second thing that you have to know is the carbohydrates are, as I said in the earlier and first video of plasma membrane, is that carbohydrates will always be attached to either the proteins or lipids. They won't be available free. They won't be available in a free state but will be attached with proteins or carbohydrate or lipids. Those when the glucose or when the sugar or carbohydrate molecules are attached with proteins, they form glycoproteins, and when they are attached with lipids, they form glycolipids. This thing you have to remember: when they are attached with proteins, they form glycoproteins, and when they are attached with lipids, they form glycolipids. And there is no amount of carbohydrate is present in the inner side of the plasma membrane. No carb in the inner side of plasma membrane. This you should also remember. Now the most important, the crucial point in carbohydrates of plasma membrane is that all the oligosaccharides that are found in the plasma membrane are formed by combination of just 6 principal sugars. I will repeat it, that all the oligosaccharides of the plasma membrane that are present in plasma membrane are formed by the combination of 6 principal sugars, and all the sugars are glucose derivatives. 6 principal sugars. The combination of only these sugars will form all the oligosaccharides present in the plasma membrane. So these 6 sugars are dextro, galactose, and I hope you know what is D and what is L, dextro and levo rotation. It's about the rotation. One moves in the right side, right direction, other moves in the left direction. D mannose, L fucose, fourth is N acetyl neuramic acid. Fifth is, this is also known as sialic acid. Fifth is N-acetyl dextroglucosamine. N-acetyl dextroglucosamine. And the sixth is N-acetyl dextrogalactosamine. N-acetyl dextrogalactosamine. So these are the 6 sugars that will form all the oligosaccharides present in the plasma membrane. They can form any combination. This will combine with this will combine with this will combine with that, and the various combinations. It will be 2 raised power 6. The combinations will be 2 raised power 6. There are the possibilities of forming the oligosaccharide will be 2 raised power 6. So with this, the carbohydrates present in the plasma membrane will be over. And one and the most important thing, that there are two things that are very important, crucial, that you should remember. One is that carbohydrates will never be found free. They will always be in association with either proteins or lipids. When they are associated with proteins, they will form glycoproteins. When they are associated with lipids, they will form glycolipids. And all the carbohydrate that will be formed, all the oligosaccharide that will be formed by the combination of these 6 sugars. So in the next video we will see the molecular architecture of plasma membrane. So see you in the next video.